In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close pop-ups after clicking a link for same page menu anchors in WordPress Elementor. If you're using an Elementor pop-up for mobile navigation, you may notice that when someone taps an anchor link, the page jumps to the correct section, but the pop-up stays open. That can create a frustrating user experience, especially on mobile. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to fix that directly inside Elementor using a simple HTML widget in JavaScript. Start by going to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, head over to Elementor, then Templates, and then Pop-ups. This is where Elementor stores all of your pop-up templates, including any pop-up being used as a mobile menu or navigation overlay. Next, locate the specific pop-up template that contains your mobile navigation or the anchor links you want to use. Open that pop-up by clicking Edit with Elementor. Make sure you're editing the correct pop-up, since the script needs to be added inside the pop-up that contains the links. When the Elementor editor opens, look to the left side of the screen for the Widgets panel. This is where you can search for and add new elements to your pop-up layout. In the search bar, type HTML to find the HTML widget. Once you see it, drag and drop the HTML widget anywhere inside your pop-up layout. A good practice is to place it near the very bottom of the section. That helps keep your layout organized, especially if the widget is only being used to hold custom code and doesn't need to display any visible content. Now insert the JavaScript code into that HTML widget. This is the code that handles the pop-up behavior after someone clicks one of your same page anchor links. The goal here is to make sure the pop-up closes properly so the visitor can immediately view the section they selected without the pop-up remaining on screen. After pasting in the code, take a moment to double check that it's inside the HTML widget correctly and that nothing extra was accidentally added. Small formatting issues can sometimes stop custom scripts from working as expected. Once everything looks good, save your changes and click Update. After that, test the pop-up on the live page. Open the pop-up, click one of the anchor links, and confirm that the page scrolls to the correct section and the pop-up closes as intended. If it doesn't work right away, clear any caching on your site or browser and test again. That's often enough to make the updated script load properly. And that's it. You've now set up your Elementor pop-up to close automatically when visitors click same page menu anchor links.